Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Are you ready to read along with me and practice your sight words? Let's go. Tick tock. Tick tock. This is hippo. This is duck. Duck is hippo's pal. Hippo and duck see a big egg. Is this a duck egg? Says hippo. No, says duck. It is too big. This egg has no mom, says duck. I will sit on it. Duck sits and sits. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Talk, talk, talk. Talk, talk, talk. It is the egg, says hippo. What are you? Says hippo. I am Tick-Tock. Are you my mom? Says Tick-Tock. No, says hippo. Let's look for Tick-Tock's mom, says duck. Look, says hippo. This is Tick-Tock's mom. Mom and Tick-Tock hug. I will hug you and you and you, says Tick-Tock's mom. The end. Thank you so much for reading along with me on Children's Reading Cove. Keep reading and keep practicing, and we will see you back here very, very soon. Bye-bye.